Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the DaVinci Resolve cut page. First, familiarize yourself with the intuitive layout designed for speed. Next, easily import your media by dragging and dropping files directly into the media pool, or use the dedicated import button. Then, navigate to your project settings to ensure your timeline resolution, frame rate, and audio sample rate, typically 48 kHz, are correctly configured for your project. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth editing workflow. The cut page excels at rapid editing. Use the Smart indicator to quickly trim clips or perform ripple edits with just a few clicks. Adding transitions is simple. Drag and drop from the effects library and adjust their duration, often between 10 and 30 frames, for a polished look. Leverage the source tape to view all your media as one continuous roll, and the sync bin for multi-camera projects, saving you valuable time during the editing process. Even on the cut page, you have powerful audio and color tools at your fingertips. Easily adjust clip volume using the inspector, and apply basic audio effects like a simple equalizer or compressor. For color, use the quick color correction tools to balance your shots, adjusting exposure and contrast in just a few seconds. Remember, the cut page seamlessly integrates with the edit, color, and fairlight pages for more advanced adjustments when needed. Finally, it's time to export your finished project. Head to the Deliver page, or use the quick export options directly from the cut page. Select your desired format, such as H.264 for web or ProRes for high-quality masters, and choose your resolution, like 1920 by 1080 pixels for full HD. Ensure your render settings are optimized for speed and quality. Then click Render to share your video with the world in just a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.